Hello guys, nandito kami sa Lakeside Marina Bay. So dito gagawa daw kami ng monument, okay? Dedicated to Lake Tahoe. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo ang view dito sa Lake Marina Bay. So ito kami. Makikita mo talaga yung mountain doon, napakaganda oh. Tapos may snow pa rin. Ayun ito yung beach oh. Yeah? Kita nyo guys, so kita nyo yung mountain, oh. Kita talaga yung snow. Nag-snow pa yung mountain. Pero imagine, ang month ngayon ay May, no? Pero you see dito sa Lake Tahoe, meron pa rin siyang snow. Ang ganda na ito, ano? So ito ang next activity sa aming team building. Gagawa kami ng like a castle. So ayun yung gawa namin castle. Hindi lang siya masyadong malaki.
Ano yung stop? Stop ano yun te?
I think that is 6. The paper is with you. So guys, tingnan nyo ang ganda. Diba? Ayun, nandun naman kasama namin. Tingnan mo naman, nandun naman kasama namin. Ayun sila, may nakapo doon. Pinaglalakad doon. At marami din naman tao sa gully doon. Tingnan nyo naman ang sand. So it is a golden sand. Usually sa atin sa Pilipinas, ang mga sand ay like mga white sand or like off-white sand. Pero dito, it's ibang kulay oh. It looks like golden. Kaya kung punta ka sa may tubig, makita mo talaga golden ang sand. Kulay gold. So ayan guys, ang ganda ng view dito. So nandito kami sa South Lake Tahoe. Nandito kami sa Lake Marina Bay. Ganda no? Yeah. Ang pagganda ng paligid. Actually guys, tumating kami dito sa Lake Tahoe. That was Friday night. Last Friday night, that was May 10. Around 9:30 ng gabi nakarating na kami dito sa Tahoe. So ngayon, Saturday ngayon, medyo nagagalibanting na kami dahil nga ito ay team building. So ginagawa namin ng mga activities namin. Ngayon nasa lake kami.
Oh, we're gonna take a picture.
Yes!
It says here, team take a creative picture with their sand structure. Right there. Let's go. Amy, take a picture.
Okay. Okay guys, so hanggang doon muna. Thank you for watching. And please like, comment, subscribe. If pa nakapag-subscribe, don't forget for Anthony Gomez channel. Okay, thank you and bye-bye. So pakita ko muna para sa inyo yung aming castle. There's our castle.
The picture. So sit down like this.
Ito ang castle na ginawa namin. Okay, so I think I have to stay right here. So itong castle na ginawa namin, dedicated to Lake Tahoe.
Very big.
Okay.
Oh, Alice, again.
There you go.
I'm sorry to disturb.
Our castle are so cute.
一个公坟，一个母坟。
Oh, you want?
所以辽语讲跟个坟墓一样的。
Okay, thank you.
Dito
Do
ka na.
you know this in China means what?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Them don't know.
All of us.
So we are taking picture of our castle and we don't know how to take a picture of it because it's too cute. Ito guys, yung ginawa namin castle. Yan, ito ang next activity kasi ng aming building.
Lalan, come,
Oh,
can,
see.
You put the pussycat right there.
You put the pussycat right there.
Right there. You another view.
It's another view with the pussycat ha.
Yeah, in Lake
我
Tahoe.
抱它可以吧？
不不抱
Ayan kami guys. Yan.
Hi Milo, Milo.
Kami yan ang group namin.
All of us.
看我来，都看我。Milo, Milo.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks guys for watching. Okay, thank you and bye-bye everyone. Meron pa kayong mga ibang activity. Hope nandito rin kayo kasama namin para mag-enjoy din kayo sa napakagandang view ng Lake Tahoe. Alam niyo guys, ang gusto ko dito is yung heavenly, yung golden sun. See, nagpaalam na ako pero hindi pa ako umaalis ano. Kasi talagang excited ako sa lugar na 'to, napakaganda talaga. Are we leaving now?
No, take picture for you too lah.
What?
Come.
What else?
Take
Hold on.
picture for you too.
Okay, I just finished my video.
Oh.
So, ayun guys. Ang ganda talaga. Inulit ko lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay. Okay. Thank you and God bless.